Baba, will you tell something about the diminishing birds in the environment?
The birds are of two golden wings, roving in the air, descending to the seat of order. Orderliness is the greatest divine art for bird. The bird is cleaning the atmosphere while it flies, is flying in the air. Blood it carries the peace, like your pigeon is the messenger of peace. From pigeon to sparrows, they are so beautiful, enchanting the holy mantra of silence, and we are enjoying the atmosphere of the sound of hearing the sound of sparrows to nightingale. And presently nobody is paying proper attention. Every day how their number is falling, diminishing, declining. I am questioning to the research scholars, those are researching on this. I like to draw the proper attention of various organizations to pay special attention, particularly bird. And see, you can see, I can tell you one example about your vulture. Presently disappeared. You can't see a single vulture. By that, entire you can be spailing every day-to-day life because of the flashes of the dead bodies. It's poisoning to the atmosphere. And can you, how these rare species are disappearing every day? What about the kingfisher, bird kingfisher? And what about the bird falcon? And what about your woodpecker? What about your different type of birds like eagle, small eagle, and also varieties of species from woodpecker to vulture. It's creating a bad atmosphere. And the nature is changing because, and this is the right time, a bad signal goes to the society, disappearing after seeing this, the birds so beautiful while they are flying with the two wings, and how one can give the divine bliss while enjoying the birds on the tree to tree, jumping to the branches of tree to tree, and jumping to the from your thatched house to pakka building. They are moving. Presently you can see the absence of those birds sing beautiful song of silence, flying with calmness that they are creating within us. Serenity, harmony, silence, beauty is totally disappear because of these species. These species are royal species. These species we should pay proper attention. Why these royal species are declining every day by day? How the birds' life would be saved to see a good world, a environmental world. Where the environmentally we are conditioning ourselves, our mind and body to be conditioning. By that, our entire atmosphere will be protected. If the real species, those are diminishing, must be saved.